everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, August 27th. I had to look at the dates. It is currently around 10 a.m. I am getting ready and I'm eating breakfast. I'm having a Ezekiel bread with avocado toast and it has feta cheese and tomatoes on it. Currently getting ready. I'm about to finish my makeup and then I'm gonna head over to the mall because I want to go check out some stuff at the mall and just kind of do like a little self-care, reset, rewind, spend the day with myself. But right now we're gonna jam out to the new Britney Spears Elton John song. Loving it so much. And we're gonna get ready and get ready to go. So I will see you guys. Come along with me, spend the day with Steph. That's what I'm gonna start titling these vlogs. Spend the day with Steph. Okay guys, so I just got a really exciting package in the mail and I just can't wait to unbox this new bag for you. This company did reach out to me to send me a bag and I just couldn't resist. I believe this is my second bag from this company and it's probably one of my favorite companies to get designer dupe bags from. But here is the box. It is a Gucci bag and I'm really excited about this one because it's definitely like nothing that I have, so I cannot wait to share with you guys this bag. I will have Kitlife's information down below in the description box, everywhere that you can order, who you can contact through WhatsApp, and check out their website. It will be listed down below in the description box, as well as I do have a coupon code for all of you guys to use if you order anything. These are some of the best quality bags that I've owned and I'm obsessed with them. I love them. If it's not your thing, it's not your thing, but I want to go ahead and unbox this bad boy for you guys to show you the bag that we got. Me unboxing the bag. So here is the beautiful bag. I am obsessed with this. I love this style bag. It's super dainty, and what I love most about it is how you have this top strap here, and what I love the most is that you're able to add the crossbody strap to it and carry it on your shoulder. What I love about this bag is that I can go ahead and put on the strap, which you can adjust to just a few settings to make it shorter or longer. This is the inside of the bag. It does come with that protection stuff, so if you're gonna store your bags, definitely keep these for, you know, storage purposes. You have a really good amount of space with the two pockets. I just threw the strap back in there. I love the closure on this. It's such a nice bag. Like, you guys can just see the quality of this bag is amazing. I'm obsessed with this. I love this classic Gucci style. I love the top handle. The bags on Kitlife are absolutely stunning. I love this bag. They have a ton of other bags to select from on their website. And like I said, I will have all this information linked down below in the description box, as well as a coupon code that you can use when shopping their website. Definitely check out some really good bags for this fall season. You're definitely going to love them. I love this bag and I cannot wait to start using it all fall. Like, I think this is going to be the perfect fall bag. I'm loving this. I love classic Gucci print. It's beautiful. Okay guys, so I got dressed, got ready, did my makeup, put on my earrings. Let me show you guys my outfit for the day. I'm just wearing this Led Zeppelin t-shirt from Target. My jean shorts are Levi 501s. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing these like Birkenstock dupes from Target. And yeah, my hair is getting really poofy even though I blew dried. I'm just like really hot. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys, I got a couple PR packages that I wanted to share with you. So the first one is from Kiss Lashes. If you guys know, I love Kiss Lashes. They're like my absolute favorite lashes. So they sent me some of their Lash Couture Masterpiece collection. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited about this. I only use like basically Kiss lashes whenever I wear falsies, and I also only use their glue. So they sent me over 3 styles of their new lash couture masterpiece. This is in Pret-a-Porter, a big luscious lash, so pretty. The next one is Haute Couture, so pretty and full and long. I love these types of lashes. And these are like hand woven faux mink lashes, and this is Avant-Garde, which this is my favorite one. I like the lashes like this because they're just really full and they're really pretty. This is definitely more for like glam makeup looks. So they sent them over. I love the packaging. And then they also sent me over a little mirror that's so cute. Let me open it up and show you guys. A good mirror to put in my little purse. Just says Kiss on it, and it's like a two mirror thing, so that's nice. And then they sent me over 2 styles of their lash glue. So this is the strip adhesive latex free lash glue. This is the one that I always use. It's my favorite. I like it better than any other lash glue. This one comes on clear. And then the other one that they sent me for these Lash Couture Masterpiece lashes are the extra strength formula. And this is I think this is black. Yeah, it is. This is in the black. I've never tried this, so definitely when I try out these lashes, I'll use this glue because I think it'll be the best. I'm definitely gonna save these lashes for like a really glamorous type of makeup look if I have like an event or somewhere to go. And the next package I have to share with you is from Good Molecules. So you can get Good Molecules at Ulta now. So this is the package, and they sent me over a few of their items, so let's go through them. This is the box. So they sent me their Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. It's formulated to help revitalize and energize the eye area. I got the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Can't wait to try these out. I have the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So this one is the one I'm most excited about because I don't have any niacinamide stuff in my skincare routine, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then the last thing that they sent me is a silicone-free primer moisturizer. So these are all the goods, and you can also get Good Molecules at Ulta, so if you definitely check them out. I will have all this stuff linked down below in the description box if you want to get any of these goodies for yourself. Okay, so we're at the mall. Okay, I had to start over recording because this guy was giving me death stares because he thought I was recording his kids on camera, which I wasn't. But anyways, we're at the mall, and I got these little studs for my ears because for the 7,000th time to try to record what I wanted to say because people keep staring at me as if it's weird to have a camera. This is why I don't vlog in public. We went to La Visa, and I got some little diamond studs to take out because I had the small ones in and they were too hard to get out, so we're gonna get the other ones on there. And people keep staring at this stupid camera. My mom went into Express, so let's go into Express. Hi guys, so I went to the mall, and vlogging at the mall did not go as planned. I'm sorry if this is crooked. I'm sitting in my car. I kept pulling out my camera, and I swear every single time I tried to film something at the mall, people kept giving me these horrendous looks. And usually I'm like, okay, if it's just one, whatever, I kind of like shake it off. But then I just like kept getting people staring at me, so I was like, you know what, I'm not vlogging because it just was ridiculous. This man was like concerned as if I was recording his kids. I wasn't. I get it, but anyways, like I literally have my camera facing me with the viewfinder up, like. Anyways, I just got a salad from Chick-fil-A because I'm so hungry. It's literally 3:15 and I haven't ate since earlier this morning at like 10:30. I went ahead and grabbed a Cobb salad. I have to go to Target after this because I need to pick up a couple things. I'm so bummed I broke my Johnny Depp pop socket, so I need to go order a different one. I don't know how much of that footage from the mall will be put in, but fun fact about whenever I eat Chick-fil-A salads, I have to eat all of these cherry tomatoes first because like I don't like them, but like I do. It's very weird. So I'm like, the thing I hate the most, let me get it out of my plate. Anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna head over to Target. I'm gonna check out some of the clothing section, see if I can maybe get a TikTok filmed. I saw these really cute faux leather dresses from Wild Fable on TikTok, and they looked really nice, so I kind of want to check those out. So hopefully they have them there. They might not, but we'll see. Finish my lunch. I'm gonna go just quickly watch a little YouTube video while I eat in my car, and then go to Target, and then I'll see you guys when I get back home, or maybe in Target, don't know. If I find those dresses and I try them on, I'll vlog. Hi guys, it is Sunday. Last time I vlogged, I think I was on the way to Target, and I had Chick-fil-A for lunch, and then I was gonna go to Target and see if like they had this dress. Updating you, they didn't have the dress. But two, yesterday I was gonna go home and do like content for Instagram and just like create, like, I love doing reels and I love doing TikTok lately, and I was gonna go home and do all of that, but I didn't do any of it because I ended up getting the worst migraine. Like, it started coming on when I was in Target, and then I was like, oh, maybe I'll just take like some Tylenol and it'll be all right. It wasn't all right. I ended up having to take Advil migraine because I was just having the worst migraine I've had in a very long time. I was not feeling good. I was so nauseous. I literally just had to go and lay down because there was nothing else I could do. Like, I couldn't watch anything. I couldn't look at my phone. The light was hurting. I just sat in my room for like literally the rest of Saturday. I did nothing but lay in bed. So yesterday was kind of like a wash of a day, and that kind of sucks because Sundays are usually like the days that I like to like lay around and like do nothing and reset for the week. But we weren't feeling good yesterday, so we weren't able to do that. So today I'm going to head over to the grocery store and do some grocery shopping. But first I'm gonna get myself a Starbucks coffee because I've been really craving a coffee from Starbucks. And then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Today's Sunday, the 28th. The VMAs are on tonight. I usually don't care about the VMAs. Like, I couldn't care less. But Johnny Depp is supposed to be making an appearance on tonight's VMAs as the Moon Man, so I'm definitely going to be watching and supporting our Johnny. So I'm going to watch that later on tonight. We'll see what it is because he's currently filming a movie, which I'm very excited about. It's about King Louis, the Beloved. But is Starbucks even open? I think I'm going to get myself a croissant. Speaking of the French, let's get a croissant. There's no one in line. What? Hi, can I get a grande vanilla sweet cream cold brew?
Okay.
And then can I also get a almond croissant?
I'm sorry, those have been discontinued.
Oh my gosh, they have. Okay, then can I just get a cheese Danish?
Okay.
And that's all.
Can I have a name for the order?
Stephanie?
Did you say Stephanie?
Yes.
Alright, it's gonna be 886. And we're having like computer issues, so if you're paying with your phone, we're gonna have to take it to the front register, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
We'll see you later.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking sad. You guys, they got rid of the almond croissant. I'm heartbroken. When did this happen? I'm like genuinely upset. Okay guys, you heard it there first. Starbucks discontinued their almond croissant, and I'm devastated to say the least. I can't believe they got rid of it. I'm so sad about it. That's not a good time. I'm so upset. That first sip of coffee in the morning. So good. The grocery store, Aldi, doesn't open until 9 o'clock, so I still have like 15 minutes. But I'm probably gonna get over there a little bit earlier. But I'm so like in shock. I have to text my mom about them not having the croissant anymore. That makes me so sad. Okay, I'll see you guys at the grocery store. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to just take off my makeup, wash my face, do some skincare stuff with that rest of the Good Molecules stuff that I got. So I want to try a few of these things. So I am just probably gonna make this like a sped through type video, but we're gonna take out our contacts, do our makeup. I have my headphones in because I'm listening to the new Britney Spears Elton John jam. So let's get unready.
You know you got my head in the clouds, losing my breath, but I'm not coming down. Feels like it could all fall to the ground. Talking that talk just to keep me around. Yeah, you manipulate, you manipulate. Yeah, I do the same, I just play the game. Cartier ring got me wrapped around.
Okay, we're all done washing our face, getting ready for the end of the day. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I am going to finish. Me and my mom actually made lasagna for dinner, so we're gonna have dinner, and then I'm going to watch The Real Housewives of Atlanta and then pop in to check out the VMAs on MTV to see Johnny Depp as the Moon Man. So anyways, other than that, just definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. That's where I'm most active, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye.